Are you feeling stuck because Ubuntu just isn't working right? You're not alone, and the good news is most issues have straightforward fixes. In this video, we're tackling the most common Ubuntu problems and showing you how to solve them step by step. Whether your system won't boot, the screen freezes, your Wi-Fi disappears, or software refuses to install, we've got you covered. We'll start with how to enter recovery mode, check system logs using the terminal, and run fsck to repair disk errors. Then we'll look at reinstalling missing drivers, fixing broken package errors with apt, and using commands like sudo dpkg, configure a and sudo apt, fix broken install to bring Ubuntu back to life. We'll also cover GRUB bootloader issues and what to do if Ubuntu suddenly becomes unresponsive after an update. This guide is perfect for beginners and will help you build confidence in managing Linux system glitches. So stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know how to troubleshoot like a pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for full command references and screenshots, check the blog post linked in the description.